Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was browsing through my cabinet and I saw that I have some of these Hermes lipstick sample that my sales associate gave me the other round. So look at these colors. For me, I think these two colors are closest to each other. They look very similar. So for the first one I have here is the rose lipstick. It's called rose lipstick because the color is really very rosy. It's more pinkish but less of the reddish tone. So I think this color is going to go really well with your rose jaiper leather bag. I think I like this. Then the second one that I have here is called the rose messy. The rose messy is more to like pinkish and purplish tone in them. So as you can see, in the plastic they have a purplish tone. But I think for most accuracy you'll have to try it on your hand or your lips to find out the actual color. Then the third and fourth, I have the rose epice and rose ancients. These two are really similar in color because they are more to the brownish tone. In terms of the reddish tone in them, I think maybe there is hardly any reddish tone because they are more to like natural brown. Yeah, I don't see any reddish tone. What do you think? Maybe this one. So these two are the really natural look, and this one is something that I find will be difficult for me to match because I don't really use purplish tone lipstick. Sometimes maybe, but most of the time I will go for this or this or this and this. But of course this is nice color too. If you have a nice light purplish tone leather bag, then I think this lipstick will go really well. I have a bag that is prune color. Prune color is dark, very dark purple. It's almost black when there is hardly any lighting. So when I use that bag, I'll probably use this lipstick. If you can see from the website, they have a huge range of color. You have colors ranging from pinkish to purplish, then down to peachy tone, and even coral color. This is more to orangey tone. I have seen the tester in the boutique, and I really like this one. This is the satin coral flamingo. This one will look really nice on the Asian skin. Very nice color. So if you are keen in this color, go check out the boutique. It's called Coral Flamingo. I guess they actually have pictures of ladies from different color skin tone to try out the same color lipstick here. So if you were to go to the website, it will be really helpful. These look really nice. And for those who like a more natural look, then maybe you can go for this or that or this. This is really like beige nude color. This is how it looks like on Asian skin. nudie natural look also. So I kind of like this. It's really good. So nice. It's called beige natural. So if you like this, go to the boutique, try this out. I tried this, it's really good. So those two are the colors that I like. Yeah, so for today I'm thinking maybe since it's quarantine time, there's nothing else I can do, so maybe I'll just try out one of the color on my hand. Which color should I go for? Maybe this one, because I kind of like this the most. Maybe this one. What do you think? Left or right? Maybe I'll try this. Yeah, let's try it out. So, at the back they actually tell you all the ingredients that they put inside the lipstick in case you have any allergy. Then I think this will be a good reference before you purchase it, because after all it's $100 over, right? So you need to make sure that you're buying something that you are not allergic to. So they have very kindly show you all the ingredients here. See, even the red color tone, they say it's red 6, red 7 lick, yellow 6 lick. All these very specific, so this will be very useful. So before you buy it, flip through all the sample, look behind. And this is made in Italy. Just wondering, let's see if made in Italy. See if they are all made in Italy. Made in Italy. Made in Italy. How about this? Made in Italy. So yeah, the lipsticks are made in Italy. Okay, let's try it out. Oh, so you don't even have to pull open. You don't even have to tear it. You just have to do this. Okay, this it comes in this. Then you just have to push a hole here and take the contents out like a tablet. And at the back it says Rouge Hermes 42 satin. So let's try this. How do you break this tablet? Oh, you can't just poke through your fingernails like that, and you can't break your tablet like this, but the way to do it is there are flaps at the top left, flaps at the top right for you to peel it off. So please do not try using your nails to break through this surface or flipping it like this. We call it tablet, but they are not tablets. There you go. Here. There you go. So typical way of doing this is you use a lipstick brush, but right now I don't have any lipstick brush with me, so I'm just going to use my finger, swap it on my skin. The skin. Oh, nice texture. Okay guys, the texture is really smooth. I think they have made a lot of effort in doing the texture. This is a really nice texture. Look at the color. So if you put a few more layers, it's gonna look like this. Depends on how many swipes you do on your lips. I'm gonna put really a lot on one side. To make sure that it's a real full coverage. There. That's how it looks. This is the one that if you do just one simple swipe. Lesser swipe and more coverage. Let's do more. Since we have opened, right? So we do more. I'll provide you the full coverage. Yeah. Okay. In terms of the texture wise, it's really smooth. And you can feel a bit of like oil in it because it's kind of like shiny. But it's not the full watery glossy look. It's the typical Chanel lipstick kind of texture, but smoother. So that's one thing to take note of. And in terms of the shininess is almost the same as Chanel. You can see that hint of shine over there. But if you to apply just like a single layer, then you will see that it's more to a slight matte kind of texture here, but still with that bit of shininess in it. So I kind of like this tone, but at any one point of time you can just top it up with more layers. Let's see. Here you go. So this kind of color will look really good if you are wearing something that is light color. In terms of the top, you can wear like white blouse, or maybe you can wear a halter neck with a pinkish color, like rose color scarf on your head, and you can have some earrings. And in terms of the necklace, maybe you can have maybe a gold necklace around your neck. I think everything will go really well with this. Like, what can you do? What can you go wrong with this color? You know? Yeah. So, what else do we have here? Yeah. So anyhow, I think this is a great color to consider. You know, if you carry a pinkish bikini, then this is good. When you have a rodeo, you can have a rodeo of this tone to go along with this lipstick. Looks really good. Well, I'm gonna try out myself on my lips, so I think that's about it, guys, for this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Remember to click on the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of my videos coming up. And don't forget to click on the like button and click on the comment section below to type in whatever you have in mind and what are your comments. Take care, guys, and stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy. Bye, guys.